Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Want to swap any face for free, no heavy apps downloading? Then this video is for you. In today's video I'm going to show you how to face a single photo or multiple face swap. And that for free, no heavy apps downloading. You can use this tool for hilarious image photos and memes, readings, and for other purpose, like selfies with your celebrities. So I'm going to show you how to exactly do this step by step. Step number 1. Open your browser and write in browser Pixnoa AI. Okay, so the first website that you two can see Pixnoa AI, just click on that. Okay, so now you will see a number and a variety of tools like, I'm not just talking about a multiple face swap, but this video is special for that purpose. Other tool you can see by yourself, like I'm just guiding you how to face and how to face swap multiple or single face. But here you can see a number of tools like, in AI face swap you can see a variety and a list to a complete list of face swap like you can swap your photos and video and also you can see all these tools. Okay, so next is AI video or text to video, image to video, AI kissing generator, AI hugging generator, AI perking dance, and also other things. And also you can see AI fun in section AI fun. You can see the list and AI editor. Here are also more tools, so you can also check this tool. So it depends on your needs and requirements. So in today's video we are talking just about AI face swap tool. Okay, so then click on just multiple face swap because our video is for this purpose. And for other purpose you can see by yourself the tools like for what purpose they are used. So just click on multiple face. Okay, so right after that you will see like this, swap face now button. But before that I would recommend you to create and attach a Gmail account and email account for to be rewarded with 80 points, 80 credits that you can use for any purpose. Like I have logged in already, so I don't need again. You can use here. Once you are logged in, you will see that claim points. So you will claim. I have claimed already, so I don't have any needs for that. So once you so for the first time when you are going to create your account with Gmail or email attaching your account, so you will see that and just click on claim points, so you will be rewarded with these 80 points. So you can use this for any purpose like text to image face swap and also other things. So just click on swap face button. Okay, so now you can see this before and after samples. So it will show you that how to exactly the image and the group photos that you will upload be seen like this. So just click to upload, and upon click on upload you will upload here the original photos. Okay, so just click on that and then head to the folder where your files and your images are stored. Okay, so I have this image. Just click on that and open. In a few seconds you will see your original photo to be uploaded, and next to it you will see another 3 boxes in there. You can upload more 3, depends on the number of photos. You will upload then more images photos for face swap. Okay, so here the photo has been uploaded, and now you can see In this image, just for educational purpose, I have uploaded an image about the Prime Ministers of Pakistan like Shehbaz Sharif, Mohsin Naqvi and Maryam Nawaz. So now you can see next to that 3 boxes like, so all the 3 Prime Minister in the original photo, you can see their faces here. So step by step you can upload another picture to face image like this is the face of Mohsin Naqvi. So I'm going to upload here an image like the image of Netanyahu. So you can upload that here. And next to it, the face of Shehbaz Sharif. So I'm going to upload the image of Maryam Nawaz. Okay, enter. You can upload here the image of another person like Mohsin Naqvi. I want to replace Shehbaz Sharif with Mohsin Naqvi face. So just click on that. And that is the photo of Maryam Nawaz. So I have replaced the photo of Maryam Nawaz with the one of Mohsin Naqvi. And okay, so this is the original image. And now we have uploaded a couple of images, a number of images for face image. So then just click on Start Multi-Face Swapping button. Okay? In just a few seconds, you will see here the exact result you want. Okay? So their faces has been swapped like. I think this is the best result and amazing result that you can use this tool for free, and it is fun, and you don't need to download heavy apps to store anywhere gallery or to store anywhere phone. Just go to browser and open Pixanoa AI, and then you can use this tool and this website for multiple purpose like I have swapped their process. So I think this is the best result that I can see, and you can check and you can test by yourself. Okay, so now next to it below you can see 2 buttons like share and download. So if you want to download, and once you are happy with the result, just hit the button download and your photos will be downloaded in your gallery. Okay, so just click on open file and you can use this photo for any purpose like reading memes and for other like selfies you were with celebrities like. So okay, now you can see yourself. I think this is the best result like. Well, this was the Maryam Nawaz, and you can see I have replaced the face of Maryam Nawaz with Mohsin Naqvi, and this was Mohsin Naqvi. I replaced the face of Mohsin Naqvi with Netanyahu, and this was Shehbaz Sharif. I have replaced the face of Shehbaz Sharif with Maryam Nawaz. Okay? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, just hit the button of subscribe and like the video and share with your friends.